I can't hold these reporters back anymore.
It's time for another 2-minute tech tip.
This 2-minute tech tip was recorded at the 2017 Great Lakes Oracle Conference in Cleveland, Ohio.
Hi, my name is Kellyn Pot'Vin-Gorman. I am the Technical Intelligence Manager for Delphix in the Office of CTO.
The clock starts now.
So my tip today has to do with how to simplify migrations to the cloud. One of the challenges that people are going through as they're migrating to the cloud is how they're creating their project plans. And one of them is that they go in and they create the list of what they want to move to the cloud. They move to the cloud after testing, and then they optimize. And I'm recommending optimizing before they ever do the plans. One of the things is that the network is the new bottleneck. And I recommend getting in and looking at your environment. What is virtualized? Go in and use tools like Gomez and Packet Tracer from Cisco and verify what your network weights are like. Go in and look at the SQL as well as your application, optimize all of that, verify that you're not going to have latency that's going to impact you once you go to those environments, and be able to isolate and remove that before you are actually migrated over to the cloud. When we talk about the network, especially with diversified computing, when we start talking about networks, many of these cloud providers are providing environments that are to provide the highest quality of uptime and not about performance. So going in and using the tools that aren't provided as part of the database tier, because many times AWR, other performance tools aren't going to provide that information. You can get some of it from like Amazon CloudWatch and other tool providers, but if you use products like Packet Tracer as well as Gomez and that, they're going to give you that information across HTTPS as well as FTP, and not from ICMP, which doesn't have much to do with your application tier as well as the database when they're going through and doing transactional data that you might get hit from on data in flight and such. And that's my tip for today.
What did you think of that tip?
Nothing short of a miracle.
We want your opinion. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.